Looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods? In this video, we'll be reviewing the best air fryers on the market. These innovative kitchen appliances use little to no oil, delivering crispy, delicious meals with less fat. From family-size models to compact designs, we'll help you find the perfect air fryer to meet your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comment section which air fryer toolkit you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Balashov Smart Air Fryer. The Balashov Smart Air Fryer Electric with a 7-liter visual window. This air fryer stands out in the market for its combination of style, power, and efficiency. Designed for the modern kitchen, it offers a substantial 12-liter capacity and operates at 2,000 watts on 220 volts. Certified with a CE mark, it ensures safety and reliability while delivering top-notch performance. If you're looking to make healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, this oil-free air fryer might just be your next kitchen essential. One of the key features of this Balashov air fryer is its 360 degrees baking convection system. This advanced technology ensures that your food is evenly cooked, whether you're frying, baking, or roasting. The visual window is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks without losing heat by opening the fryer. With automatic settings, meal preparation becomes effortless. You simply select the desired function, and the fryer does the rest, making it ideal for both novices and seasoned cooks. Users appreciate the versatility and convenience of this air fryer. Its large capacity makes it perfect for preparing meals for the entire family or hosting a dinner party. The oil-free cooking method offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying without compromising on taste or texture. Cleanup is easy too, thanks to its non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe components. The smart technology combined with practical design makes this air fryer a valuable addition to any kitchen. The Balashov Smart Air Fryer Electric is a powerful, user-friendly appliance that can transform the way you cook. Its 2,000 W power, 12-liter capacity, and 360 degrees baking convection system provide the tools you need for versatile, healthy cooking. Fourth product on our list, Fabuletta Air Fryer. The Fabuletta 4.2 QD Air Fryer Oven, a sleek and modern kitchen appliance designed for healthy and convenient cooking. With a 4.2-liter capacity, this air fryer is perfect for small to medium-sized families. It features a stainless steel housing that not only adds to its durability, but also gives it a stylish look. Operating between 220 to 240 volts with a 1,500-watt power output, it delivers efficient and even cooking, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. The Fabuletta Air Fryer comes with 9 customizable cooking programs that allow you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're frying, baking, grilling, or roasting, this air fryer has you covered. The tempered glass display adds a touch of elegance while making it easy to navigate through the settings. The non-stick basket ensures that your food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed for those who want to enjoy their favorite meals with less oil and more flavor. Users appreciate the convenience and versatility of the Fabuletta Air Fryer. The customizable cooking programs make it easy to prepare everything from crispy fries to tender chicken with minimal effort. The non-stick basket and compact design make it easy to clean and store, making it a great choice for those with limited kitchen space. The tempered glass display is not only functional, but also adds a modern touch to the overall design. The Fabuletta 4.2 QD Air Fryer Oven is a well-designed, efficient, and versatile appliance that can elevate your cooking experience. With its 1,500 W power, 9 cooking programs, and stainless steel construction, it offers both functionality and style. Third product on our list, XMSJ 8-in-1 Air Fryer. The XMSJ 8-in-1 Air Fryer, a powerful kitchen tool designed for healthier and more efficient cooking. With a 6.3-quart capacity and a premium full-metal exterior, this air fryer not only looks sleek, but is also built for durability. Operating at 1,500 W, it ensures that your meals are cooked evenly and quickly. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 9 people, this air fryer is perfect for small gatherings and everyday use. The XMSJ air fryer stands out with its 360 degrees circulating hot air technology, allowing you to enjoy crispy and delicious meals with minimal oil in 30 minutes or less. It comes with 8 preset cooking options, including fries, pizza, chicken, steak, and more. With temperatures ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer of up to 30 minutes, you can easily customize your cooking for perfect results every time. Users love the versatility of this air fryer, especially the large non-stick basket that makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The LCD touchscreen is intuitive and easy to use, offering quick access to presets and manual controls. Safety is also a key feature, with a cool touch handle, button guard, and detachable frying basket for added convenience and peace of mind. The XMSJ 8-in-1 air fryer is a top choice for anyone looking to make healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. With its durable design, large capacity, and customizable cooking options, it's perfect for busy families or anyone who enjoys fried food without the mess. Second product on our list, Miui Smart Air Fryer. The Miui 5L Smart Air Fryer, an efficient and stylish addition to any kitchen. This air fryer is perfect for families, offering a large 5-liter capacity that allows for easy, healthy meal preparation. With its electric hot fryer oven and oilless cooking capabilities, it's designed for those who want healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The Miui air fryer stands out with its scientific construction and high-quality materials. It incorporates the WOS intelligent temperature control algorithm, ensuring even cooking with perfect results every time. The touch control panel and visible window make it easy to monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. This combination of convenience and performance sets it apart. The non-stick basket is coated with silicone for safety and easy cleaning, making this air fryer both practical and user-friendly. Users enjoy the intuitive controls and appreciate how easy it is to prepare delicious, oil-free meals for the whole family. Its smart design makes it a great fit for busy households. The Miui 5L Smart Air Fryer offers a high-performance, safe, and convenient cooking experience. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking to make healthier meals with minimal effort. First product on our list, Kenworth Smart Air Fryer. The Kenworth Exsamo 10-liter large-capacity smart air fryer, a powerful, multi-function appliance designed to revolutionize your kitchen. With a sleek stainless steel housing and a spacious 10-liter capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families or large gatherings. Its oil-free cooking capability offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying. The Kenworth Exsamo operates at 2,000 watts with an adjustable temperature range of 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, giving you precise control for perfect results every time. Its 3-dimensional surround heating ensures even cooking for crispy, delicious meals without the need for oil. The touchscreen control panel adds a modern, user-friendly touch, making it easy to navigate through its multiple functions. Designed for convenience, the Kenworth Exsamo offers multiple cooking modes, ideal for frying, baking, and roasting. The digital display lets you easily monitor your food, while the large capacity ensures you can prepare meals for the whole family. The stainless steel construction makes it durable and easy to clean. With its large capacity, powerful performance, and touchscreen controls, the Kenworth Exsamo 10L Air Fryer is a must-have for any modern kitchen. It's perfect for those seeking healthier meals without compromising on flavor.